Alright guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Jason. You can call me Coach J, and I help entrepreneurs to optimize their workspaces and their life by starting first with controlling their environment to serve them and their purpose. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about a strategy that I've included in my 25 most commonly used strategies in my ebook that I've created for you guys. So make sure you check that out. I highly encourage you to read over it first before you watch any of my videos so that you have a clear understanding of the things that you can do right away to implement them and to see results for yourself. Now let's get into this without wasting any time. Alright, this strategy is wear the same thing to work. And you're probably asking, why should I wear the same thing, right? For some of you, you might be asking, well, I like wearing different things at different days, and I do too, and I understand, and I empathize with you. But for the purpose of saving time, saving focus, we're gonna see what these two very high-profile entrepreneurs did in their life, and still continue to do to optimize their life. So Steve Jobs and Mark Zuckerberg, you probably know them for two reasons, right? Number one, they built big companies that have really lasting impacts on us today, right? Apple and Facebook. But you also probably know and see them wearing the same things. And this is really interesting because they both do this and they do it so well. Like they wear the same things and they're known for that. I want to focus on that second part of them wearing the same clothes, and I want to draw some conclusions from it so that you understand where it is that I'm coming from. So generally speaking, if you have more decisions to make, you have less time to do what matters and less focus, really. So by having more decisions, which requires energy, you're limiting the decisions that you want to have to the things that you want to invest your energy into. So that's number one. By eliminating unnecessary distractions, you're eliminating unnecessary decisions that you have to make. And by getting rid of them, you're basically having more time to focus and to be clear with the goals that you want in your life. So the action plan, or the thing that I want you to do after this video, is to figure out what you want to wear every time you work. And a good starting point for that is to pick out pieces of clothing that have neutral colors. And the reason why you want to go for neutral colors is because they fit well with each other. And so they go well with each other. So you don't have to think about what it is that you have to wear with what, and like pairings and stuff like that. You can just get straight into the clothes and not have to worry about whether or not they fit or not. Especially for people who want to look good in front of people. You don't have to worry about that if you're wearing very minimally with neutral colors. So what happens once you start to have the same clothing, work clothing that you wear? First of all, you get rid of unnecessary decisions. You basically eliminate the process of thinking about what to wear, thereby creating more time and focus on the important stuff. Clears uncertainty. This is really big because if you have uncertainty, like what to wear and stuff, that just creates more friction and stress, and you want to have a very little amount of uncertainty in your day-to-day life. And so that's one thing that it does really, really well. Thirdly, it directs attention to more important matters. Like I said, you have to think about wearing clothes. You have to clothe yourself, but you don't have to think about what to wear if you know exactly what you're wearing, what you will be wearing every single day. And that gets rid of any, like I said, unnecessary decisions. It directs you to important stuff that you can get to work right away with. And it also, I actually left out a point here, but it's something that I want to talk about. It's when you have a uniform that you that you wear to work, you reinforce your identity in it, and by doing so, you're basically making yourself you're reinforcing it. You're reinforcing your identity so that you know who you are and what you do. And so it helps to then start from a position of your identity into your work so that you don't have to necessarily doubt or, and to do those things. So if you like this video and if you want to see more of this video or of these series, make sure you click the subscribe button. Like I said, I've released a free guidebook for you guys to check out down below. So make sure to check that out before you watch any other videos that I will be releasing. And yeah, I hope to see you in the next one.